What if I told you that every bad habit you've ever had is nothing more than a shadow or product of invisible triggers you never even knew existed? Imagine breaking free from them not by fighting, but by understanding the very psychology that keeps you stuck. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the hidden blueprint of your mind and give you the keys to rewrite your story, one habit at a time. Are you ready to stop sabotaging your own progress and finally take control? Ever wondered what lies beyond the surface? Religion, philosophy, science, life's biggest mysteries. At Sleepless Minds, we dive into the unknown and challenge the answers. Like, subscribe, and join the quest for truth. The journey to understanding starts now. Sleepless Minds, dare to question. Chapter 1. The Whisper in the Dark. It always starts small, a whisper, barely audible, in the back of your mind. Just this once. You're tired. The day was long, stress clung to you like sweat. You reach for your phone, scroll mindlessly. Or maybe you light a cigarette, pour a drink, skip the gym, snap at someone you love, tell a little lie, or eat that thing you told yourself you wouldn't. You feel a flicker of guilt, maybe even shame. But that whisper soothes you. It's fine. You'll do better tomorrow. But tomorrow turns into next week, then next month. And before long, what started as a flicker becomes a fire, a habit. Let me tell you a story not of a saint or a genius, but of you, me, us. Because every single human being, from the monks on mountaintops to the hustlers in the city streets, is walking a battlefield of behavior. Some habits make us, others break us. And the ones that break us, they often wear the most convincing disguises. Chapter 2. The Machinery of the Mind. Habits are the brain's version of autopilot. They're shortcuts, energy-saving mechanisms. When you repeat a behavior enough times, your brain learns it like a dance. Eventually, it stops asking for permission. Psychologists call it the habit loop, a cycle with 3 parts. Cue, the trigger. It could be stress, boredom, time of day, a certain place, or emotion. Routine, the action you take. Smoking, scrolling, snacking, snapping, skipping. Reward, the hit of dopamine, relief, escape, comfort, even just a sense of control. Over time, your brain stops needing the reward to crave the routine. It begins responding to the cue like Pavlov's dog to a bell. Your phone buzzes, you check. You're stressed, you smoke. You're sad, you binge. You're anxious, you avoid. It becomes automatic. And therein lies the trap. Chapter 3. The Myth of Willpower. People often think breaking a bad habit is about willpower. But here's the truth. Willpower is like a muscle. It tires out. It weakens over the course of the day. That's why your diet breaks at 10 p.m., not 10 a.m. Why you procrastinate at 4 p.m., not 9 a.m. You don't need more willpower. You need a new strategy. Habits are not broken through force. They are replaced through awareness, design, and repetition. Chapter 4. The Mirror Moment. Let's pause. Think about a habit you've struggled with. One that's carved a quiet corner in your life. One you've tried to change, maybe even promised to change, yet it keeps circling back like a boomerang. Now ask yourself, what's the cue? What's the reward? Breaking a habit starts with awareness. You must see the loop before you can rewire it. Try this for a few days. Every time you catch yourself doing the habit, write down where you are, what time it is, how you feel, what you were doing just before, what you're craving. Patterns will emerge. They always do. The truth is hidden in the data. Once you can spot the cue and reward, the magic begins. Chapter 5. The Power of the Pivot. You cannot erase a habit. You can only replace it. Let's say your habit is scrolling through social media when you're anxious. The cue is anxiety. The routine is scrolling. The reward is escape or distraction. Now, imagine inserting a new routine after the cue. Anxiety hits, instead of scrolling, you take 10 deep breaths. Or write down 3 things you're grateful for. Or take a brisk walk. Or call a friend. Or sip a glass of water, slowly and mindfully. The reward is still calm, still relief, but you've changed the routine. At first, your brain resists. It screams for the old pattern. That's normal. Don't fight it. Just repeat the new behavior. Again and again, day after day. And then something extraordinary happens. Your brain begins to rewire itself. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity. It means your mind is not a fixed sculpture, it's clay. With every repetition, you're shaping it, sculpting a new version of you. Chapter 6. Triggers and landmines. Let's talk about environment. You will fail if your world is set up for failure. Trying to stop snacking? Don't keep chips in the house. Trying to quit drinking? Don't hang out at the bar. Trying to work more? Remove distractions from your desk. This is called choice architecture. Design your environment to make bad habits harder and good habits easier. Put your phone in another room when you work. Leave your gym shoes by the door. Pre-cut vegetables and put them at eye level in the fridge. Unsubscribe from temptation. You are not weak. Your surroundings are just powerful. So take control of them. Chapter 7. Identity is the engine. Most people say things like, I'm trying to quit smoking. I want to stop being lazy. I hope I can eat healthier. But words matter. Instead, say, I'm not a smoker. I'm a disciplined person. I eat foods that nourish me. Why? Because behavior follows identity. Every time you make a new, better choice, you cast a vote for the person you want to become. Do it once, it's a flicker. Do it twice, it's a spark. Do it 10, 100, 1,000 times, and it's a wildfire, a new identity. And once you believe in that identity, the habit becomes effortless. Chapter 8. The Fall and the Rise. You will slip. You will fall. One moment, one bad day, and you'll return to the old habit like a ship blown back to port in a storm. But here's the secret. One fall does not ruin the climb. The most powerful word in habit change is yet. I haven't broken this habit yet. I don't feel motivated yet. I'm not consistent yet. Progress is not a straight line. It's jagged, wild, messy. The winners? They just keep going. Chapter 9. The Golden Rule of Change. Here it is. Don't try to break a bad habit. Build a good one in its place. Nature abhors a vacuum. You can't remove a behavior and leave the space empty. Something will fill it, so choose what that is. If you stop watching TV at night, what will you do instead? If you stop biting your nails, what will your hands do now? If you stop procrastinating, where does your energy go? You need a replacement ritual, a new groove for the record to play. Chapter 10. Tiny wins, giant waves. People love dramatic transformations, but real change? It's quiet, incremental. James Clear calls it the 1% rule. Improve just 1% each day, and in a year, you're 37 times better. Don't underestimate the power of small. One glass of water instead of soda, one walk instead of one nap, one honest conversation instead of one lie, one push-up, one page read, one deep breath. These moments are seeds. Water them. Chapter 11. Accountability and anchors. Going it alone is brave, but unnecessary. Tell someone your goal. Better yet, create a system of accountability. A friend who checks in. A journal where you track your streak. A coach, an app, a group. And make the behavior obvious. Track it. Celebrate it. Make the success visible, tangible. Put a check on a calendar, a coin in a jar, a streak on an app. Humans are visual creatures. Make your progress something you can see. Chapter 12. The Phoenix Principle. By now, you understand. Habits are not chains. They are choices repeated. So often they become invisible. But you can see them now. And what you can see, you can shape. What you can shape, you can master. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be persistent. Because every time you replace that bad habit with a better one, every time you choose awareness over autopilot, you are reborn. Not all at once, but like the slow rise of the phoenix, ash to fire, fire to flight. Epilogue. Your turn. So now, it's your turn. Find one habit. Just one. Study it. Replace it. Repeat the new behavior. Forgive the slip-ups. Track the progress. Celebrate the wins. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for a perfect plan. Start now. One whisper of change. And soon, the chorus will follow.